Want to be reminded when someone you follow on Instagram is scheduled to go live? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to set a reminder for a scheduled Instagram live. Now let's get started. First, go to the Instagram profile of the person whose live you want to get reminders for. Then tap the name of their scheduled live on their profile, or tap the bell icon in the bottom left corner of a post they've shared with the live event reminder attached. In the pop-up menu that appears, tap Remind Me. Once you've signed up for their live stream reminders, you'll be reminded 24 hours before the stream, 15 minutes before the stream, and at the time the stream is starting. That's all it takes to set reminders for a scheduled Instagram live. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.